rain keeps falling on my window tonight, just like the memories I try to leave behind. Your name still echoes in the silence of my room. A beautiful pain that never fades too soon. I smile outside, but my soul still cries, hiding broken dreams behind tired eyes. Some people leave, but never really go. They stay in your heart more than they'll ever know. I wish goodbye was easy to survive, but losing you killed something inside. Now every late night feels colder somehow, and I still miss the person you used to be somehow. Maybe in another life we would stay. Maybe this love was meant to fade away. But if you ever think of me at night, know I still loved you with all my life. Know I still loved you with all